For some odd reason, most of you guys seem to think that you need to consistently post new content in order to make money online. But the truth is that one good video can actually turn into multiple streams of income. Okay, so the first thing I need you guys to understand is that the video itself has to solve a problem. So whenever I'm creating content or I'm getting ready to create content, I'm thinking about what somebody else is trying to figure out or what problems could someone be going through that I'm actually able to help them with. Or maybe that's they want to learn how to grow on social media. Maybe it's they want to learn how to make money on social media. Or maybe they want to learn how to start selling digital products online. So when your video actually helps someone to solve a problem, that's when they're going to begin to trust you. And that trust is exactly what's going to lead into income. The first way you can go about making income with just one video is actually going to be from affiliate marketing. So just to give you guys an example, so if I'm making a video teaching you guys, helping you guys, I'm going to be sure to include an affiliate link from whatever platform I am referring to you guys. For instance, I use Beacons.ai to sell my digital products. So whenever someone signs up using my affiliate link, I then get a commission from them signing up using my affiliate link. If you think about it, it's actually a win-win situation because you're actually helping people, you're giving them a discount, you're putting them onto such a great platform, and then in return, they sign up using your code and you get a commission from that sign up. The important thing here, which I cannot stress enough, is that when you are referring products or tools or systems that you want people to use and it's actually an affiliate product, make sure that this is actually a product that you stand behind, that it's a product that you actually use yourself. Trust me, your audience can definitely feel when you're trying to push something because it's going to feel forced. Affiliate links is definitely one of the easiest ways and one of the most beginner-friendly ways that you can make money off of one piece of content. Now let's get into the next way. So the second way is actually going to be digital products. So if you're making a video that is teaching someone something useful, this is where templates, ebooks, and courses come into play. It's basically any type of extra resources that is going to help people go further into that topic and to learn more information. The thing I love about digital products, and especially pairing them with content, is that whatever video you're pairing this digital product with, that video then becomes free information. It then becomes a free gem. The video is literally free value, which means that digital product is going to become the next step for someone who's looking for further help. And digital products is actually how a lot of creators start building real income. And of course, if any of you guys are interested in getting started in digital products, I do have a Pink Academy course that includes 3 of my master courses, one of which is going to help you create, market, and sell your first digital product as a complete beginner. Other 2 courses are going to be in my master influencer course as well as my digital product playbook, but you can kind of consider those as free because it's literally a 3-for-1 course bundle, which you're definitely not finding anywhere else. So you guys have to remember that social media platforms could change any day. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, it could shut down. Even YouTube could shut down. An email list is forever. The third way to make money from the same piece of content is going to be building out an email list. When someone signs up for your email list, that's you getting a hold of their contact information forever. This is now something that you actually own. So when it comes to having an email list, I love email lists because in the email list, when someone signs up, they are then signing up to be notified. They're subscribing to your newsletter. So whenever you release new videos, you could send them free guides if you want to, as well as upsell them your ebooks and your courses. Now that same exact video is helping you to grow a subscriber list. The next thing is going to be brand partnerships, which is actually my favorite. Like, this is what I've been doing for the longest. So once your content starts performing well, brands are going to want to work with you. Brands are always looking for creators that have an engaging audience, as well as creators who can naturally talk about their products in an authentic way. Your content is literally going to become another stream of income for partnerships. So the thing I love the most about brand deals is that a lot of the time, like as a beginner, like say you like a brand. So you like this brand and you make a free video. It could be a free video. You make a free video for this brand, shouting them out. Again, like I use Beacons.ai. When Beacons.ai goes and search up their platform and your name pops up, they're going to reach out to you because they're going to want to work with you. And that's literally how I got most of my brand partnerships, including partnerships with Facebook. I was making free Facebook videos of how to make money on Facebook, and then Facebook actually reached out to me, which was insane. So that's why I always tell you guys, don't feel like you're creating content for nothing, because you never know who is watching your channel. You never know what brand is about to reach out to you because of the piece of content that you made for free. The last thing is gonna be the thing that you guys love the most, which is gonna be ad revenue, basically getting paid just to post that one piece of content. I'm not sure if you guys know, but most of these social media platforms, they pay just for you to post. So right now, Instagram is paying you to post carousels. They used to do reels, but now they're only doing carousels, because really, Instagram does not have to pay people, because people love Instagram. So they're gonna post on that platform anyway. Instagram is superior in social media world. So Instagram has carousels, Facebook has its performance bonuses, YouTube has its creator program, and so does TikTok has the creator program, and as well as Snapchat. You can also get paid posting on Snapchat. So being paid to post is ad revenue. Now, as you guys can see, just with one video, you can bring in income from affiliate links, from digital products, from an email list, from brand partnerships, and ad revenue. And that's exactly why I say posting content is actually a business asset. Once you start thinking this way about content, like what you can do with just one piece of content, it changes everything. So instead of chasing views and feeling like you have to consistently create more content, focus on providing value and creating high quality, engaging content that can actually work for you long term. One good video can bring in so much income and opportunities even months after you have uploaded it. So that is going to complete today's video. I hope you guys really take this information and start implementing it. Like, being a content creator and having financial freedom, having time freedom, being able to do what you do as a content creator from anywhere in the world. You literally need Wi-Fi. That's all you need. It's such a blessing. And then once you learn how to utilize it to the max, just that one piece of content, then it is going to change your life forever, you guys. That is going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.